30% from around 50% from material from each unit and 70% from instruments for money. Systems around 1,400 from materials. 50 from materials. Another 50 from another 60 to 70 from quantity of work. Another 70 problems from for 1 year. But for event 800 because we discussed some problems from game direct into image. Sir, he left. Should leave? Yes, sir. Chiranjeevi left.
Vishal came.
Second one. The first one. ICS.
Sister, huh?
Mastery of financial.
By talking to your father, can you issue me 2 crore rupees, right? Loan.
We have to give 2 crore.
Surety.
Yes, sir.
If I have that, why I will sell them and I will get that. No?
You want to sell your one house, you want to another house. You will not sell your existing house. You take a loan and
You will not sell, but I will sell. Why I need 2-3 houses? Only one house. That one house also. Huh?
you give one house, you can give rent and you can rent.
Yeah, EMI 25,000 I have to pay, and for him I have to give rent for 6,000, 8,000. Okay, one question. 2 open organ pipes. Everyone, good evening. Online, how many came first? So 2 open, yeah, 2 open organ pipes. 2 open organ pipe, 80 centimeter and 81 centimeter long. Ankit sir, Varsha said she will send that PDF today. Once do the follow-up, calling or messaging. 80 centimeter and 81 centimeter long found to give 26 beats in 10 seconds. When each is sounding, it's a fundamental note. Each is sounding its fundamental note. Then find the velocity of the sound. Find the velocity of sound in air.
Which is sounding at its fundamental.
Yes, fundamental note. Will you try for 2 minutes?
What is note here?
Note means resonance. Fundamental note means that you will hear one sonic booming sound. No, that is called note. That noise, that sound is called note. What you are hearing? Your mouth is just like a vibrated tuning fork. That flute is just like an open argon pipe. Okay. Okay, look here. First pipe, I will do this, and a similar model I will change. You have to work out. What is the length of the first open pipe? 80 centimeter. What is the length of the second pipe? 81 centimeter. Its frequency is F1. Its frequency is F2. They are under fundamental resonating notes. Under the influence of some frequency F1 and F2. What are the beat frequencies given? How many beats are producing? 26 beats in 10 seconds. Means, yeah. Beat frequency, how much here? Beat frequency means it may be F1 minus F2 or F2 minus F1 also. Which one is difference? It is a difference symbol. Should you asked a question, then after that you have to put full stop. Okay. That is a difference symbol, Srinidhi. Difference means big minus small. You don't know F1 bigga, F2 bigga. Understood? That's what you have to use difference. You should not write minus symbol. Surely, if you know which is big, which is small, you should write big minus small. But as I don't know F1 bigga, F2 bigga. Understood? Clear? We can find after doing some, yeah. So I can write F1 difference F2 is given how much? 26 beats in 10 seconds. Means 2.6 hertz only, na? Beat frequency means number of beats produced in 1 second. 10 seconds, 26 beats produced mean in 1 second, 2.6 beats only produced, na? Say sir, no. Which is big frequency? Tell me. Fundamental note frequency respond for open pipe. 1 into V by 2L only, na? Wrong. F1 is big. Why? L1 is in denominator, na? Which is having smallest length, that is having big frequency. So now I should write clearly F1 minus F2 or F2 minus F1. F1 minus F2 is equal to how much? 2.6 hertz. What is F1 formula? Please respond. What is the F1 formula? V by 2L1 minus V by 2L2 equal to how much? 2.6. Is asking velocity of the sound only, na? V if you take outside, V by 2 if you take outside, L1 into L2 and L2 minus L1 is equal to how much? 2.6. So V is equal to how much here? 2. If you take that side, what you can write? V into L2 minus L1 divided by L1 into L2, and that equal 2 into 2.6, how much? 5.2. So if you substitute V equal to how much here? 5.2 into L1 L2 divided by how much? L2 minus L1 means 5.2 into L1 value how much? 0.8 into L2 value how much? 0.81 divided by 0.81 minus 0.8. Everything meter I have converted. Say yes or no? So what I can do is here 5.2 into 0.8 into 0.81. What is this 0.81 minus 0.8? 0.01 only, no? 0.01 what I can write? 1 by 100 I can write. 5.2 what I can write? 52 by 10. 0.8 what I can write? 8 by 10 I can write. 10, 10, 100, 100 cancels. Correct? So 8 into how much? 0.81 into 52. So I can write 8 into 81 into 52 divided by 100. So you have to multiply with some patience. So you will get 320, sir, 33700 something you will get. To simplify, you will get 337 meters per second. You will get.
Exactly, you get 336.96.
Yeah, means round figure. If you do 337 meters per second. Yeah. Now, similar model, slightly I will alter. I will change it. You have to do. Understood? Now, each is not sounding with fundamental note. First open pipe is with the second overtone, and second one is with the fourth overtone. This time two pipes are not vibrating with the same fundamental note. Different pipes are having different notes. Now your job have to find the velocity of the sound at this moment. Good evening, Ramesh Bollu and Pandit Abhilesh and Aaron Ninan. Who is this Ramesh Bollu?
Kalpana Devi.
Kalpana, okay. Everyone, please try. First open pipe is trying with second overtone, and second open pipe vibrating with the fourth overtone. Then you people have to find the velocity of the sound. Please use calculator. See, I have to say the dialogue. They are reversely saying. Downside is not leader, huh? Free room, not there. Huh? Meeting. Huh? If you have concentration, beside you one big dynamite blasted also, you will not care. Understood? Your dialogue is black hole. Yeah, your all dialogues, my dialogue, you copied. That is concentration. How much time you will take, Ray? You are researching or doing problem? Two? To eternity.
Yes, sir. Hey, F1. Oh, never. Hey, F2 is only greater than y. How is F1 greater? No, F2 is only greater.
Will you try in your house, Ray? This problem? Madam, downside that much busy room. Room, AJ madam room. Their work is over, no? Still they are calling, no?
Did you get 336.9?
They are telling you reduce your volume. They are telling to me. Next tomorrow he will tell, please can you vacate this room? He will tell. Surely he will tell. Finished? Anyone online students also please respond. Use no problem. So tell me, first open pipe is under second overtone. No? What is the formula? Second overtone means 0th overtone means 1V by 2L1. Second overtone, first overtone means 2V by 2L1. Next one 3V by 2L1. Right? Next, sorry, this 0th overtone, first overtone, second overtone. So F1 equal to 3V by 2L1. No, yaar. First open pipe is second overtone. Then F2 value how much, right? Second overtone means 3V by 2L1. Third overtone means what? 4V by 2L1 is third overtone. So fifth overtone means what? Sorry, fourth overtone means what? 5V by 2L2 only, na?
Yes, sir.
So.
Sir, we saw it as first overtone, second overtone. I lost it.
Anyway, 3V by 2 into L1 value how much? 0.8 na? 0.8 which is bigger here, F2 equal to 5V by 2 into L2 value how much? 0.81. Anyway, logically speaking, F2 is only bigger. You can check it out. F2 is only bigger, na? F2 minus F1 equal to how much here? 5V by 2 into 0.81 minus 3V by 2 into how much? 0.8. Anyway, F2 minus F1 value how much? 2.61, na? Anyway, naturally 5 by 2 is bigger. If I take 0.81 as a 0.8, definitely tsunami will not come. I will take it. For faster calculation, I will take like that. Any big change will come, huh? No change will come. So what I can write here? 500 into V by how much? 2 8s are how much? 16, and minus 300 into V by 16 equal to how much? 2.6. So 500 minus 300 means 200 into V by 16 equal to 2.6. 16 will come this side and 200 will come this side. So what do you get? 2 point, yes, 26 by 10 you will get. Next 200s are 200 to 13s are this 16 and 200. Four table it will go. Then no problem. 16 into 13 is simple only. 16 and 13, 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 16, and 208. 208 divided by how much? 1000, that equal how much? 0.208 meters per second. It is impossible practically. If a sound travel with that much speed means 1.42, then my mistake or your mistake? Here, if any, you have taken 8.1 now. Yeah, that only. Not 1 centimeter, 0.01. Yes. Okay. You got 1 point? Anyway, both are not that much great. Anyway, created by my own, so you don't need to consider answer that much. Okay, for your practice only I have given. Then we immediately will go to one more model of the beats. Your original JEE mains model problem will be perfectly framed with a simple calculation part. Understood? Like this calculation part will not come. Okay, we'll see one more problem. A tuning fork of frequency of 512 hertz. 512 hertz when sounded with unknown tuning fork, produces 5 beats per second. Full stop. If arms of the unknown fork are filed. Sorry, this is printing mistake. Filed is wrong, no? Piling means removing mass, no? Filing is wrong. But this fellow gave filing. So piled I will write. Piled, then it produces only 3 beats per second. 3 beats per second. Find the frequency of unknown tuning fork. Okay, this is one question. 2 minutes You cannot do this, but 2 minutes, try to digest the theme in it. Tell Ray, over. Perfect answer. Very good. Correct answer. Correct answer, Ray. You told correct answer only. Really? Real, Ray. Promise on you. Correct only. How did you? Saying answer is not important. Justification is important.
Greater frequency and smaller frequency is 5 side.
I
took greater frequency as 100
Okay.
I sent it right side. Then smaller frequency equals to 5 minus smaller frequency equals to 5 minus 512. Then
if you send to this side, it will become 517. No? Why it can't be 517? You sent right side, na? Instead of sending right side, if you send left side, 517 will be coming, na? Why it can't be 517? Okay, anyway, look here, everyone. So Srinidhi pelted stone, but it is hit, but it failed in justification. So now I will do. So a tuning fork of frequency, how many hertz? 512 hertz. When sounded with unknown tuning fork, 5 beats per second. You said you sent 5 this side, 507. If you send that side, means 517 it will know. Then the smaller frequency should be the other frequency should be like this only, right? He wrote 512 equal to F0. I understood, right? Then how you will get 517, sir? If it is F0 minus 512, na? Then it becomes I am telling that. If X is bigger, why? Oh, okay. How you are not confident unknown frequency is bigger? How you decided smaller? It may be bigger also, no? Go. Okay, anyway, a tuning fork of frequency when sounded with unknown tuning fork. Unknown tuning for frequency in max unknown value, what do you assume, right? X. But X may be larger than 512 or maybe smaller than 512. Na? How many possibilities are there? Tell me. 2 possibilities. One is 512 minus X may be 5. First probability. But a second probability, X minus 512 also may be 5. This is probability number 1. This is a probability number 2. If this probability number 1 is correct, X value how much, right? Srinidhi perspective 507 hertz. And one more possibility also there. If you send that right side, how much? 517 hertz. Either this may be correct or this may be correct. For that arm means this. Oh, these arms. That is tuning fork arm.
Like this, those two arms.
Yes, yes. U-shaped like this. It is there, na? This is a right arm. This is a left arm. Piled means what? Removed mass. Piling means, you know, grinding stone. You know, piling means removing some mass.
Okay.
Piling means by sharpening, by grinding. You know, piling of knife. Before cutting mutton, I think you don't know. Okay, so before vegetables, no need of cutting sharp knife. Sharp knife is not required. Blunt knife also it can cut potatoes, vegetables. Okay. Anyway, for smooth cutting feeling, you have to pile that. Understood? Okay. So piling in the sense you have to remove some mass. Mass removed means what will happen to frequency? Tell me. What a frequency of that vibrating tuning for formula? V by lambda. What a velocity of the that one? If it is you treat like a small string, each arm. So shall I write under root of T by mu? Says or no? Mu means mass per length. Na? As you piled up means mass decreases, so frequency will increase. This is the key point. This point will decide which is our suitable, I mean, unknown tuning for frequency is decided by this point on. 507 only, right? Correct answer. After piling, this X value should increase. If 507 become 508, so then 507 is correct answer. Not understood, no? That's what you listen. Listen. After piling, what will happen, right? Frequency will increase, na? So now, after piling, what is the new beat frequency? 3 beats, na? So shall I write 512 minus new frequency of the tuning fork equal to 3? Shall I write? Then X prime value how much? 509 hertz. Second possibility also there, na? X prime minus 512 equal to how much? 3. So X prime value how much? 515. Which is increased, right? 507 to 509 increase, na? Then which is the correct answer? 507 is the correct answer. Why 517 is wrong? Decrease, na? 517 to 515 decrease. As per our scientific reason, frequency should increase. So this is wrong. This is wrong. What is our correct answer? 507 hertz is the correct answer. Understood? So you are don't pelt stones in the exam hall like this. Understood? Okay. Yeah, lucky. Your luck. Okay, you said something gravitation you want, no? Beats only, yeah. Okay, one more problem we'll do on beats. Okay, a string under a tension of how many Newton? 129.6 Newton produces how many beats per second? 10 beats per second. When it is vibrated, along with a tuning fork, when it is vibrated along with a tuning fork, when the tension in the string, when the tension in the string is increased to 160 newtons, it sounds in unison. Unison means not single son, equal it is. What the meaning of unison? Equal. Okay. Unison with the same tuning fork. Calculate fundamental frequency of the tuning fork. Okay, your time starts. String under tension, how many newtons? 129.6 Newton. Produces how many beats per second? 10 beats per second when it is vibrated along with the tuning fork. This is a total one situation, right? From here to here, one situation. Then here, second situation will start. When the tension in the string is increased to 160 Newton, it sounds in unison with the same tuning fork. Unison means frequency of the fork and frequency of that wire same, both are same, but in first situation they are not same. That's what beat frequency gave. Did you notice that earlier fork frequency different, and string frequency different? Understood? They produce beats. Beat frequency also mentioned. So just you should know the beat frequency and tension relation. I already gave. What a frequency equal to velocity by lambda. What is velocity of the transverse wave in the string? Very good. Under root of tension by mu. So you people are smart. Definitely F is proportional to root T. You are going to use this, right? You are going to apply in two situations. Definitely you will tell the answer. Yes. But only you are logically you have to convince yourself whether you have to write F minus 10 unknown tuning fork frequency, assume X. So in the first situation you have to write X minus 10 X plus 10 that is your logic. That is your wiseness. I don't know. You should decide. What? Wait for 2 minutes. Urgent. Fires, you not taken permission. Okay. This much big size is there. Okay, go. Okay. Go. Fayaz, next time should be stand top with them. They are doing overaction. Understood? You have to beat them, right? Yeah. Ordinary action only you are doing. How many hours you are studying, Fayaz? Not counting. Till now, where you sat? Till now, where you went? Home. You went home and you came back. Okay. So in the second situation, shall I write? Students, in the second situation, I will assume unknown tuning fork x hertz. Shall I write? X is proportional to under root of tension. How many newtons? 160 Newton, right? In second situation, directly I am going. Directly I am going second situation. In second situation, what is tension in the string? 160 Newton. No need, no need. Only it is a increased. No need, no need. Not increase it 2. Increase it 2 means final tension is 160. You don't need to add. In second situation, frequency of the string is x hertz and frequency of the tuning fork also x hertz is proportional to 160. This is equation number 1. In first situation, if you go, tension decrease, na? Tension decrease means frequency will decrease or increase? Why? Very good. Direct proportion means I should write x minus 10 na, x plus 10 na. Shabash, x minus 10 you have to divide and rest is history. You should do this and I am leaving this calculation to you. Try in your house. Understood? Tell me x value. Okay, students. So tomorrow onwards, whatever doubts you have, whatever complexity you have, tell me. I will explain. Okay. Thank you, students. See you. Bye.